last mountain, the very last mountain, the very last mountain, the very last mountain, beyond the last mountain, very last Sally River, beyond the last bush, the very last the prairie and the tale of the
One day, making tracks in the prairie of Prax, came a south-going Zax, a south-going Zax, and a north-going Zax, a south-going Zax, and a north-going Zax. And it happened that both of them came to a place where they bumped. There they stood, foot to foot, face to face. The north-going Zax said, "Hey, say, you are bathing my pluck."